Molo mhlaba wonke uphelele lona ngukuseselethu Majangaza uqobo lwakhe dilapha eDurban eKZN eMangweni 4310 ngithi ngizobheka lama artists sihlale sizwa ngawo ukuthi khona italent mamela ukhona ndimbhaqileyo ucashile uzibiza ngoSmart Black Mampondo khozazise mfethu
Smart Black Mampondo lo uqoza kamlando umteam uchazela imhlophe njengelanga bathe liqotho lunga lomphakathi sanibona niyaphila
molweni mhlaba wonke kosixolele mfethu udume ngantoni man
nginge ngasho ukuthi ngidumile
hayibo Dibona ngathi udumile kum ndithi xa ngena ko Instagram xa ngena ko TikTok xa ngena ko Facebook nangu lo Smart Black and kuthiwa ulapha kule nginqi yayivalelo ngoba ndiyazi uba ndithi xa ngijongile ndibona ipoetry ndibona idrip ndibona umculo ndike ndeva bakhona une project ephumileyo so masike sizihlalutye izinto sizincokole sizithethe zonke sizive sikwazi bungibani ukuze nabanye basazi ba badibane nawe uyayivana nditshoyo
uSmart Black Mampondo umfanyana nje waseNandi eZimangweni ingcambu zami ngithi impande zami zise Eastern Cape elisukisiki
ekhaya
uSmart Black Mampondo ngizomchaza ngimthini Nkosi yami Smart Black
Mhlalukye tata yakancane mhlakazisa umuntu uSmart Black bamve eva ke
uSmart Black uyi-artist uyi-writer uyi-musician fashion stylist influencer model
sithuthe tata sithuthe
uSmart Black Mampondo kune sartorial movement
so for those who don't know it's a sartorial movement. The definition is on the screen. Look it up. So, as you've eloquently broken down all the characteristics that make up the artist of Smart Black Mampondo, I want to take it back to the roots. Because from my understanding, you started with poetry, right?
Yeah.
Is that true and valid? And can you just break it down?
Iqala lento iqala
ubuciko
ake ngithi iqala crash okay so bafakela nesithombe lapho so edit uzofaka into zakho
don't worry
khona isithombe crash ngirecite poetry but leyo nto ngangingazi nokuthi ngenzani ngalesi sikhathi yabo
yayibizwa ngantoni
ukuthi kwenzekeni imibongo
baniyazi imibongo madoda
ngangingazi ngalesi sikhathi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngangazi kodwa ukuthi khona into sasiyenza esikoleni
but the passion was there
ngithe mase ngimdala sengibuza hawu maka kwenze njani la kulesi thombe siyangichazela ukuthi wawenza wenza imibongo yabo so siyabona ukuthi le nto yaqala la
usemncane
kodwa ke ukuyithatha serious kuqala high school
which grade
maybe sakhumbula nje ukuthi ngikhuluma kwaku 2011 kwakune heritage day esikoleni kwakumele ke siveza amakhono ke sihlanganisa ama groups eclassini kwenziwe something yabo ngapha kwakukhona uJ Madness kaNobhalani Thendawo Mzila ngifunda naye eclassini ngifunda noNhlonipho Gwala uNhlonipho Zulu esikoleni uNhlonipho so uJ wenza poetry angayenza poetry ne ngiyadansa kodwa futhi ngibuye ngiyabhala nje ama rhymes la ngiya
You also a dancer ngalo mkhaba udansa
come on so sihlangani mina ngiqhamuka la ngenzani i-rap ne OJ wenza i-poetry yabo lonto uhlala yenza lento ngimbona yabo and lokhu likhulu uthando kumina yabo ngithi ngiyithanda ngokuthi i-poetry uyakwazi ukuyi-expressa ngokwehlisa umoya yabo ayikho ibeat ekujahayo awekho amabeefu yabo lonto
it's self-expression
so ngayithanda ngathi yazi lento kunezinto eziningi engifisa ukuyikhuluma engingakwazi ukuyikhuluma ngalama ngenza i-rap yabo lonto so ngayiqala eclassini engalasa kule heritage la sekuhlangana khona igroup ekuthiwa abalobi
nani bangaphi kwabalobi
sasibathathu uJ Madness uNhlonipho Gwala kube imini siqala kanjalo eclassini kuhambe kulokho kungena abafethu kungena oCofi kungena Olindo
oCofi uzama oCofi the poet
waye sasikho
ukhule nayo yamazi
come on babe. a primary school.
What? I know Coffee. A lot.
Primary
I'm pretty
school
sure a lot of
corner
people
like
know
it's
Coffee.
Mjondolo, yeah.
Sikhasiphila naye.
Yeah, yasikhulele
Yeah.
khona la mfethu.
Yeah.
So iqale lapho uthando lenkondlo siyakwaqhubeka kwalokhu ikhula ke lento sasala isikhona. Yeah.
So, how then did you transition? Because now my understanding of what you do, you're doing music now.
Yeah.
So you started with poetry, right? Ikono la cola.
Yeah.
Did you just stop poetry, or do you still release content related to poetry, or are you just now focused on the music?
Yeah.
If let's say there's a new user, there's a new follower who wants to reach out to you on your social domains,
Yeah.
yini abazoqale bayizwe? But what are you giving the people at the moment?
Okay. Na ngenza kanje mfethu. Angihlukanisi ngeke ngithi ngihlukanisa umculo nenkondlo.
Okay, so inkondlo isaphila.
Ngoba yonke lento iyimina yabo iyangiphelelisa konke ngiyakwazi ngine project yenkondlo ephumile ezitolo.
Oh yes, you released a project. It's on
ngine
Spotify.
project music so ngikwenza konke inkabi yami yabo angikhetha.
What's the name of the project? The
project yenkondlo ithi kumnyama
EP. Yes. I'll see the cover on the screen. The link will be down below for someone to download.
Eyomculo iproject ithi Isibani album.
Isibani, that's your recent project, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How's that
manje
going?
sizofuthi sizomove njengoba sithiwa kwisibani iproject yomculo siyahamba futhi siya kwiproject eyinkondlo futhi ngilishe igama
Angazi, I don't know. I don't want to be held accountable. Oh,
Yeah.
ifele mnyama. So nizileke. That is an exclusive.
Yeah.
That is an exclusive. I'm thinking, yazi njengoba ukhuluma. So was this a conscious decision? The EP is called Kumnyama. The music album is called Isibani.
Yeah.
Kumnyama Isibani.
Yeah, mfethu.
Ithini lento tathi ngathi dibene nje lo. Ingathi ihamba yonke lento. Yenza njani? Ngqondo mfethu wakho.
Ngikhuluma ngami mfethu. Ebucikweni bami ngikhuluma amanga. Angikhulumi izinto engazazi. Angikhuluma amahebezi, angikhuluma amampungi.
Hey,
impilo yami. Impilo engiyaziyo, impilo engikhule kuyona. Mangasiye yami yasemphakathini engikhulele kuwo, eyasemndenini, kodwa nje into esondelene kakhulu nenhliziyo yami mfethu. So lama projects lawa akhuluma ngohambo lwami nangempilo yami. Uthi
uqala ebumnyameni.
Yeah, ebumnyameni.
Thixo. Kuba sonke sisuke ebumnyameni.
Ebumnyameni silwela ukukhanya, sikhulekela ukukhanya.
Sithandaze leso sibani.
Yeah, sikhulekela injalo.
Ayishumayela into tata.
Injalo kodwa ke futhi ke sinethemba futhi. Le project iletha lama projects aletha ithemba kubantu ukuthi bangayikhohle ukuthi bayibani bayinkanyezi. Yazi ke inkanyezi
abantu abazizibane bazinkanyezi.
Injalo.
Hey madoda, we are all stars.
Inkanyezi izalelwapi?
Inkanyezi izalelwa phezulwini. Angazi.
Izalelwa ebumnyameni. Mabuyekho ubumnyama inkanyezi ngeke uyibone.
Ngeke uyibone.
Qobo.
Dithi mina ezulwini.
So ingakho ngithi ngibuyisa ithemba ngalama project. Umuntu ngathi kumnyama ayilo muntu silethela uyasidepressa more kanti cha la sizokhululana ebumnyameni siphelele ekukhanyeni.
Bayishumayela.
Yeah.
Let's get to current events. I-album out.
Yeah.
You had a launch. When was the launch? How was the launch? What is the reception that you're getting? Just tell me more about the album. How's it going? Are you signed? What's happening? Do you own your masters? You know, they always want to know about the masters, especially for an up and coming artist.
Miningi imbuzo nkabi yami.
Miningi.
Kodwa ngizozama ukuyiphendula mawuthi ngisayikhumbula uvela wayifaka yonke ndawo.
We'll take our time.
Okay, Isibani album. Siphume ngoJanuary kuwo lonyaka.
January, yeah.
Ngiyabonga kubona wonke umuntu ostreamayo. Ngiyabona ama streams.
Stream guys, stream.
Ayakhula. Lokho kuyangijabulisa, kuyangikhuthaza. Kuyangiqinisa ukhakhayi. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu ngothando. Project ngiyayibona bafethu iyakhula kancane. senze ne listening session ye project before iphume.
Oh, so you had the
baphuma
listening
ngobuningi
session
babo.
first, and then you had the album launch.
Yeah.
Okay, that's very professional.
Ngiyabonga ngiyayithoba kubantu ukuthi njalo baphuma ngobuningi bengiphuthando bengiphi support ngimthanda abafethu ngothando lingapheli ngohlezi futhi nginibonga ngaso sonke isikhathi umunye khona umuntu wakwathi uhlezi ubonga kuma comments uyabonga ngiyobonga ngize ngiyongena egodini bafethu Isibani album siphumile kuzona zonke inkundla zokuxhumana ngicela sihambe siyo stream abafethu ngicela for bookings sihambe siyobheka laphana kuzo zonke inkundla zokuxhumana Ingonyama Entertainment.
One last question before we end the interview. Who produced the album? Because hey madoda, hey ndimamele man the album. Kukhona angiyindawo, kukhona unobuhle, kukhona who is this magic producer lo okubambele waqinisa madoda masibanike bonke ithuba because bonke basebenzile kule project.
Ngiyabonga mfowethu ngiyabonga wathi into ebalekile because I project ngabe uSmart Black mabona ngabe akekho ngabe khona mhlambe la hambe agcina khona ukube o producer abekho so ngiyabonga abafowethu ngeproduction ngicela ukubonga ku project Isibani kukhona sebenze no Novex Beats album ngiqale no Novex Beats wangenelela uMalinkandi walula isandla sahlangana samoya munye sonke wangena uNkanyezi Mahlobo
babize bonke
wangena uFaisal oh my daughter
Thixo 5
wangena uThuli B from Pretoria. Thuli B from Pretoria, Novex from
So you're
Limpopo.
working with people in Pretoria while you're in Durban?
Yeah,
you traveled so abantu baziyo la
abanye abafethu abala eThekwini Malinkandi Nkanyezi Mahlobo abala eThekwini uThuli B wase Pretoria Novex Beats wase Limpopo kukhona no PC Dlamini production yo ngiyabonga abafethu ngiyabonga ngokungibamba ngesandla nangokungithanda abafethu ngiyabonga.
Okay, thank you. The album is out. Ititled lokugcina
Isibani.
Go stream, go like and subscribe. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Do you know any artists in Enanda? Do you know any artists as Mangweni? Are there any artists that you'd like me to interview? Just more recommendations, more mentions, more likes, more comments. Let's spread the word, man. Asidumisa igama lakhe nayo Thixo singamlibali bangaphandle kwakhe ngabe asikho apha. Sihlala emthandazweni, sihlala empumelelweni. Insuku zethu zande. Amazwi okuvala bhuti.
Sibonga uNkulunkulu, sibonga abaphansi, sibonga abantu, sibonga impilo. Nanokuthi ke iKaizer ishayile.
iKaizer winile. Shabu.
Bashaya amaphiko masikhamnge Rolando. Bashaya amaphiko sebeshawa nalo.